Alrighty. So when the user selects a category, the browser sends a GET request. When Django queries the database by referencing models.py, information is returned in views.py and translated into HTML and CSS, as seen here. When the user selects a product, there's another GET request that's sent to the server. Models.py retrieves information from the database query, and views.py renders the information in the browser. When the user adds an item to the cart, the browser sends this time a post request to the server and the GET request to retrieve the cart page through models and views.py. With the post request, it references the cart app. It adds the cart function performed in the cart.py file. The session ID is created in the database through the cart app's model.py file, and a cookie is stored in the user's local machine, which references a session ID to retrieve the cart information until the cookie expires. And then, of course, the views.py file renders the contents of the shopping cart. When the user updates the shopping cart, there is another GET and post. The GET is pretty much the models.py querying the database and views.py retrieving the page. The post actually is referencing the cart app. It updates, or the update cart function is performed in cart.py. Session ID is verified by the cookie, and the cart is updated from the session database, and views.py renders the updated cart. When the user removes an item from the cart, the browser sends a post request to the server and the GET request. Actually only sends a post request, I'm sorry. The post request references cart app, removes the item in the cart, which is performed by the cart.py function. The session ID is verified via the cookie. The product is dropped from the session in the database, and the views.py renders the updated cart. And then for the zipcracker file, pretty much what happens here is the zipcracker file imports the zip file function, imports the date and time function, opens the zip file, opens the word file, and prints the date and time of the start time. Iterates through the word list, strips out the word, starts a try block in which it tries to extract the zip file. If the password is incorrect, unzipping the file throws an exception, which is handled by the except block. If the word is a success, it prints the password, and it prints the date and time of completion.